I'm Daniel Matthewson. I'm a product manager at SiteOwl and a recent graduate from Trinity University, where I studied computer science and economics. My freshman year of college, I met Joseph at a Students and Startups event where we started to talk about getting into the industry and a potential internship for the first summer. It progressed pretty fast, and I was working in user experience design with Joseph for the whole summer and naturally progressed into product management. Our first summer, we didn't have any software yet. We were calling a lot of customers up and selling them software that didn't exist. So that was a really interesting experience. It was fun because I eventually got to design the software that we would eventually sell. The security industry is an interesting one because it's an incredibly technical industry, but a lot of the people in it are non-technical when it comes to how they go about their workflow. So many people in the industry are still either working on paper and pen plans or just struggling through on Excel sheets. Being able to transition into a purpose-built software made just for them and their exact workflows is an incredibly powerful tool. Security directors currently have no visibility into how their projects are going or the health of their systems. These people invest a ton of time and a ton of money into developing out their systems with very little visibility after the work is completed. SiteOwl gives them a complete portal into seeing exactly how their projects are progressing, something that they've never had before. Designers, technicians, security managers, everyone has a role in SiteOwl. Everyone falls into place in SiteOwl. And we're on an amazing path right now, and I'm excited to see where that takes us and how the industry changes because of the work that we're doing.